Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're sharing 20 innovative interior design hacks specifically tailored for small apartments. Whether you're looking to maximize your space, enhance functionality, or simply improve your home's aesthetics, these expert tips will help you transform your cozy living area into a stylish and efficient sanctuary. From utilizing mirrors to create the illusion of space to opting for flexible, multifunctional furniture, let's dive into these practical ideas that will elevate your small apartment living. 1. Use mirrors to create illusions of space. Mirrors are a small apartment's best friend. By reflecting light, they create an illusion of more space, making rooms appear larger than they are. Place a large mirror opposite a window to bounce natural light around the room. You can also opt for mirrored furniture, such as a coffee table or wardrobe, to add depth without taking up extra space. Think of mirrors as windows that you can place anywhere, tricking the eye into seeing a more expansive area. 2. Opt for multifunctional furniture. When space is limited, every piece of furniture should serve more than one purpose. Consider a sofa bed, which provides seating by day and converts into a bed by night. Coffee tables with storage compartments or ottomans that double as storage boxes are also great examples. This dual functionality ensures you have all the essentials without the clutter, maximizing every square inch of your apartment. 3. Embrace vertical storage. Vertical storage is key in small spaces. Use tall bookshelves or wall-mounted shelves to keep items off the floor. This not only declutters but also draws the eye upward, giving the illusion of higher ceilings. Installing hooks or racks on walls can also offer additional storage for items like hats, bags, or kitchen utensils. Remember, when floor space is scarce, the walls are your best allies. 4. Choose light colors for walls and furniture. Light colors can open up a room, making it feel airy and spacious. Opt for whites, soft pastels, or light grays for walls and larger pieces of furniture. These shades reflect light, making the room feel brighter and more open. Consider using a single color palette throughout the apartment to create a cohesive look that flows seamlessly from one room to the next. 5. Use rugs to define spaces. Rugs can be a powerful tool in small apartments, helping to define different areas without the need for walls. A rug under the dining table can distinguish the eating area from the living space, while a small rug beside the bed can create a cozy nook. Choose rugs with simple patterns or colors that complement the overall design, ensuring they enhance rather than overpower the space. 6. Get creative with lighting. In small apartments, lighting can make all the difference. Layer your lighting with a mix of overhead lights, floor lamps, and table lamps to create a warm and inviting atmosphere. Consider using LED strip lights under cabinets or shelves to add a modern touch. Dimmer switches can also be installed to adjust the mood according to the time of day or occasion, providing flexibility in how the space is used. 7. Invest in sliding doors. Traditional doors can take up valuable space when they swing open. Sliding doors, on the other hand, save space and offer a sleek, modern look. They can be used for closets, bathrooms, or even as room dividers. If installing a sliding door isn't feasible, consider using a curtain as a room divider, which can be easily adjusted or removed as needed. 8. Incorporate greenery. Plants can breathe life into a small apartment, adding color and texture. Choose low-maintenance plants like succulents or snake plants that thrive in limited space and light. Hanging planters or wall-mounted pots can save floor space, allowing you to enjoy the benefits of greenery without clutter. Plants not only enhance the aesthetic appeal but also improve air quality, making your home a healthier place to live. 9. Opt for transparent furniture. Transparent furniture, such as acrylic chairs or glass tables, can make a room feel less cluttered. They offer functionality without visually occupying space, creating an unobstructed view. This can be particularly effective in dining areas or small offices, where bulky furniture might otherwise overwhelm the room. 10. Use artwork strategically. The artwork can add personality to a small apartment, but it's essential to use it wisely. Large, statement pieces can anchor a room, while a gallery wall of smaller frames can create a focal point without taking up too much space. Keep the color palette consistent with the room's design, and consider using frames that match the wall color for a seamless look. 11. Keep it minimal. In small apartments, less is often more. Embrace a minimalist approach by keeping surfaces clear and limiting decorative items. This doesn't mean the space has to be stark or boring. Instead, choose a few standout pieces that reflect your personality. A decluttered environment feels more spacious and allows the design elements you love to shine. 12. Use curtains wisely. Curtains can do more than just block out light. Hang them higher and wider than the window frame to create the illusion of larger windows and taller ceilings. Choose light, airy fabrics that let in natural light while providing privacy. If you prefer blinds, opt for those that can be easily tucked away to maximize light during the day. 13. Integrate built-in furniture. Built-in furniture can be a game-changer in small apartments. Custom-built shelves, desks, or seating can fit perfectly into your space, maximizing every inch. This tailored approach can provide more storage and functionality than standard furniture, making your apartment feel more organized and spacious. 14. Use reflective surfaces. Beyond mirrors, reflective surfaces like glossy tiles or metallic finishes can enhance a room's brightness. They reflect light similarly to mirrors, adding depth and interest. Consider using these materials in kitchens or bathrooms, where they can also offer practical benefits like easy cleaning. 15. Employ smart storage solutions. Smart storage solutions can keep clutter at bay. Use under-bed storage boxes, over-door organizers, or furniture with hidden compartments to stow away items neatly. Consider vacuum-sealed bags for seasonal clothing or blankets, which can significantly reduce the space these items occupy. 16. Create zones with furniture. In open-plan layouts, use furniture to create distinct zones. A sofa can separate the living area from the dining space, while a bookshelf can act as a room divider. This method helps define the purpose of each area, making the apartment feel organized and functional. 17. Choose foldable or stackable furniture. Foldable or stackable furniture can be easily stored away when not in use, freeing up space. Folding chairs or tables are ideal for small dining areas, while stackable stools can provide extra seating without permanently taking up room. These versatile pieces are perfect for accommodating guests or adapting to changing needs. 18. Use patterns and textures. Patterns and textures can add depth and interest to a small apartment without overwhelming it. Use textured throws or pillows to add warmth, or incorporate patterned wallpaper on a feature wall for a bold statement. These elements can create a dynamic space that feels layered and rich, without the need for additional items. 19. Consider a neutral base with pops of color. A neutral base can make a small apartment feel calm and cohesive. Use whites, grays, or beiges for walls and larger furniture, then add pops of color through accessories like cushions, rugs, or artwork. This approach allows you to easily update the look without major changes, keeping the space fresh and lively. 20. Personalize your space. Finally, make the apartment your own. Personal touches like family photos, souvenirs, or DIY crafts can add character and warmth. In a small space, these items should be chosen carefully and displayed thoughtfully, ensuring they enhance rather than clutter. By implementing these hacks, you can transform your small apartment into a stylish, functional, and personalized home. With creativity and thoughtful design choices, even the tiniest space can feel like a luxurious retreat.